Welcome to this tutorial where I will discuss 10 things to set up the moment you get Claude in order to get better answers. I've wrote, I've wrote down the points that I will talk about in this video in order to not forget anyone. So the first group of things to do is the most important things in order to get best answers. It starts with instructions for Claude. This way you will get the answers as you like them every time without repeating yourself. The next point that I will show you how to do it is how to set up or how to use the best model and also the effort to select. And also I will go with what best describes your work because I think that a lot of Cloud users don't know about this feature, and it stops over explaining the basics and talking over your head. Because if you give your work description to Claude, you will get best answers. Okay, to not make this intro long, I will just jump over the group titles. I will also show you things to make it remember you and to have also a smooth experience, visual smooth experience, and also how to make it comfortable. Okay, let's start with how to get best answers. First point, which is how to add instructions for Claude. Because for example, this little dash mark, we all know, for example, this one, AI loves to use this dash mark. If you want, you can set an instruction saying, please avoid using this thing and this dash mark and replace it with, for example, another sign. So let's say, or let's do it right now. So how to do this? I am now on Claude.ai website. See, of course, after logging to your account, go here to access settings, click on settings, and then from the general page, you will see instructions for Claude. As you see, Claude will keep these in mind across chats and co-work within guidelines. So let's say, for example, I want you to stop using and replace it with like this. Now, don't forget, you can add a second instruction like this. First instruction. For example, I want a good instruction that I always say to add, which is I prefer to be direct with me, and I prefer to, instead of being polite, to not hurt my feelings. I think this is a good instruction. Click on save. As you see, save it. Now close. And to make sure I'm sure that your instructions will be taken into consideration, but you can refresh the page to be sure that your Claude got your instructions. And now I want to, what do you think of me? Let's see I will verify if Claude will use the dash mark. As you see, a simple question took a long time. So this will be our second point or thing to set up, which is using the correct model and effort. As you see, while Claude is trying to reply my question, the second point is to always use the correct model from here. As you see, right now I am using Opus 4.8. You can select, my bad, you can select a different model from here. For example, for daily tasks like what do you think about me and things like that, I recommend you to go with Sonnet 5 or Sonnet 4.6. And for the effort, you can all for Sonnet, Opus, and Fable, they provide you with an effort settings which starts from low to max, and higher effort means more thorough responses but takes longer and uses your limits faster. And always go with high, which is the default effort, and you can make it low or max. Honestly, replying of what do you think about me, honestly, I only see a slice of you, the ventures you've told me about and the goals behind them. So check this. As you see, it started, it avoided, as you see, no more dash mark, no more dash mark. I'm used to get. I think this is a personal info, so I will hide it and then uh, close it. Now the second thing to as you now the second thing to set up to get better answers is to describe your work to Claude. So how to do this? It's simple. Just go to settings, and here what best describes your work. Here, I'm going with marketing because this is my role, and you can select between product management, engineering, human resources, finance, marketing, sales, operations, data science, design, legal, scientists, students, founder, healthcare. As you see, there are multiple roles, and you can go even with other if your role is not here. For example, an answer to a student is not the same will be to a founder. So make sure to best describe your work in order to get better answers. And if you have those are or those setups or settings are very important to do when you just get your Claude subscription. After that, let's jump to what make it let's or how to make Claude remember you, because it gets smarter about you the more you use it. So how to let Claude be able to generate memory from chats? It's simple. From the same settings, go to memory, and here make sure to enable next to generate memory from chats, make sure to enable this to generate memory just from your chats or using your chats. The second point is search past chats. Okay, search past chats. Sometimes when I talk with Claude about a new venture, it always say you already have you already work on three ventures. No need to go on a fourth one and things like that. How or to make sure to get or yes to search past chats to get better and to get better answers. Make sure to allow this here next to allow Claude to search for relevant details in past chats. Okay, if you don't like if you want to always get answers not related to your past chats, to your past chats, just simply uncheck those two options. Now let's jump to the third group of settings in order to have a smooth experience. So the first one is to track usage limits, because we all hate having or hitting the limit while mid-session. So how to track usage? From the settings, go to usage, and here as you see, for my current session, I've already consumed 57%, and this session will reset in around 4 hours. So having or checking your session usage, it is better to know how to use Claude to not hit your limit mid session. Besides the current session, you also have a weekly limit, which for all models, I've already consumed 6% right now, and it will reset on Saturday in my case. And of course, you can hit refresh here to have correct measurements. Okay. Also, you can set up voice settings by going to, but before that, to enable, you can also, for voice settings, there is multiple ways to contact or to talk to Claude. And when I say settings, it is not just the command or the prompt you give using voice. It is also, you can get or you can ask Claude to give you replies using voice. So how to edit this voice speed, tone, etc. You can set it up from settings, go to, I forgot about this, I think it is from general. Yes, from general, go to below voice. First, you can set your voice language. It is a good list to select from. Also, you can edit the voice style from this list: mellow, airy, buttery, glassy, rounded. Personally, I don't like the difference between those voice styles. You can also edit the voice speed. If you are not familiar, for example, with English, you can set it to be slow, and it is the opposite to be fast if you are familiar with or you are used to English. The third settings is response completions. Walk away from long tasks and get pinged when they are done. Yes, this here I mean you get response completion notifications. Because sometimes, especially with Claude co-work or coding, tasks sometimes takes minutes, 10 minutes, and you will not stop. It is not good, or it is not a good experience to stay viewing the waiting time. So it is better to have a notification. How to do this or how to get this? From the general setting page and below notifications. Here, make sure to enable response completions in order to get notified when Claude has finished a response, useful for long-running tasks. Same thing for code notifications. And also, you can get an email when Claude Code on the web has finished building or needs your response. Now, let's jump to how or settings to make it comfortable. Yes, to make it comfortable, you can allow location memory to get local answers without typing your city every time. Here, this settings got me off guard one time. One time I was on a little personal discussion with Claude, and on one reply he said, "You are near this city where you can get this help for this cost," and I got it, he caught me off guard, and really it was a good response that I didn't get, or I would not get if Claude would not know about my city. So how to get it? Get local answers, allow location memory. So how to do this? I think from memory. Yes, local. Yes, this is also from memory, search and reference chats. I think this is a double settings. Make sure to enable this and this next to search and reference chats and generate memory from chats. You can also set it up from instructions to Claude. For example, I live here. This is my traditions. This is what I know from, for example, your skills, your abilities. For example, the things that you own that Claude can take into consideration to get better answers. And also the visual preferences. Personally, The default text font that Claude uses was amongst the things or the one of the top things that stopped me from using Claude years ago. And it's a thing that you can change and I was not aware of. So visually things can be comfortable. So how to set up or how to edit this visual is from the general tab of settings. And below preferences, you can change the Claude interface appearance from dark to light to using your system one, and especially the chat text font. As you see here, you have, but unfortunately, you only have four options: Anthropic serif, Anthropic sans system, and dyslexic friendly. But I think they are good text options. You can also edit or reduce animation in streaming responses and other interface elements. I keep each system. And those are the 10 things to set up the moment you get Claude in order to get better answers. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like, and see you in the next one.